Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly remarkable to talk about. If you're looking to upgrade your SSD or HDD or simply need a reliable disk cloning solution, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the NTI cloning kit, which is widely regarded as the best SD card cloning software in the market. So, what makes the NTI cloning kit stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down step by step. First off, the NTI cloning kit comes equipped with an incredible feature known as dynamic resize. With a single click, it allows you to clone your entire hard drive, including your operating system, programs, data, and partitions, to another drive. The beauty of dynamic resize is that it automatically adjusts the partitions to fit onto a smaller or larger replacement drive. This feature alone sets it apart from the competition. Now, here's the kicker. Unlike some other cloning software out there, the NTI cloning kit is not tied to a specific adapter cable. It works seamlessly with any cable and any brand of SSD or HDD, whether it's 2.5 or 3.5. This flexibility is crucial because you won't be limited to using it with just one type of drive. It's compatible with various devices, making it a versatile choice. To ensure top-notch performance, the NTI cloning kit includes a high-speed adapter cable. Unlike many other designs that use low-cost ICs, this kit uses the state-of-the-art ASMedia ASM1153E chipset for stable transmission and extended product life. The driver storage chip FT25H04S ensures rapid reading speeds of up to 120 MHz, guaranteeing a smooth experience. Another notable aspect is that the NTI Corporation, based in California, has been developing advanced media creation and storage management software since 1995. Their software products have received numerous awards and accolades over the years. So, you're getting a product from a trusted and reputable company. Worried about support and warranty? The NTI cloning kit comes with a solid product warranty. For warranty information, check the link provided in the video description. Now, let's dive into how to use this fantastic cloning kit. It's a straightforward process. Buy the NTI cloning kit and install it on your computer. Download and install the latest software update from the NTI website. Get your new SSD or HDD drive ready. Plug in the new drive using the USB connector. Run the NTI cloning software, select the source drive, and choose the target drive. The software will guide you through the cloning process, and when it's done, your new drive is ready to use. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what users have to say about this product. It has a 4-star rating on Amazon with over 780 reviews. Many users have praised its reliability and ease of use, but like any product, it's not without a few hiccups. Some users have reported issues with Windows 10 compatibility. So be sure to check your system's compatibility before purchasing. So, there you have it, folks, the NTI cloning kit, your go-to solution for SSD and HDD upgrades and data migration. With its dynamic resize feature, compatibility, and high-speed adapter cable, it's a powerhouse for disk cloning. Just remember to keep your software up to date for the best experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.